Hello everyone, welcome to our latest video in the Bold BI Linux deployment series. In this video, I will walk you through the step-by-step process of deploying Bold BI on CentOS Linux with an Nginx server and configuring SSL for a secure connection. In the last video, we saw how to set up the CentOS Linux environment with an Nginx server for Bold BI deployment. Please watch that video first if you have not yet. It's linked in this video's description. First, I log into my Bold BI account. If you don't have an account, you can start a 30-day free trial by clicking the Try It Free button on the website. Once logged in, I am directed to my dashboard. I select Downloads in the Downloads section and expand Linux. I copy the setup link from this page by clicking Copy Link. To download the setup file, I run this command. Once the download is complete, I extract the Bold BI package by using this command. I change the current directory to the extracted folder by using this command. Now, I will install the dashboard server by running this command. In this demonstration, I am deploying the dashboard server using an IP address. Next, I will be asked for confirmation to install Bold Data Hub on the server. I enter yes, and the deployment continues. Now, Bold BI is successfully deployed. I open the browser and search for the IP address to start the dashboard server. Here you will see the dashboard server is hosted in an unsecure environment. To set up the dashboard server with a domain, I need to configure SSL for a secure connection. Before configuring SSL, make sure you have a registered domain and map the public IP with it. I change the directory to /etc/nginx/conf.d and open the Bold BI nginxconfig.conf file in the nano editor. I uncomment and comment the required lines in the file. I then add the domain name that I have mapped to the public IP address. Since I have mapped my public IP to linuxdemo.boldbi.com, I have added it here. I also specify the SSL certificate and SSL certificate key path in the required lines. And save the changes by pressing Ctrl+X, Y, and then Enter. I test the syntax of the configuration file by using this command. If everything is correct, I should see a message that says syntax is okay and test is successful. I reload the configuration file by using this command. Now in the browser, I open the dashboard server with the domain name. You can see the dashboard server loads with the domain name in secure mode. With that, I have successfully installed and deployed the Bold BI application in a CentOS Linux environment using an Nginx server. If you found this video useful, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.